Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. I'm going to be showing you how step by step to replace a battery in this key fob. This is going to be a short video, really easy to do. This is actually on a Chevy Terrain, but it could be the or Chevy Equinox, GMC Terrain, one of those. They might use this remote in other vehicles as well. So if you flip the key open like that, it'll make it a little easier to separate these two. Now where the key actually was hidden in the fob, actually we're going to take that back piece off there. This opening here. So we just gently pry here, pry the two apart. That back will come off. So I'm just twisting and prying just gently. You know, you don't want to break it. Just ever so gently, maybe rock it back and forth. Just about off. Just a little bit more, there we go. And you see this back piece will just come off and there's our battery hidden there. It's a CR2032, pretty popular battery. They're in most of these remotes. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get a couple of them for a really good deal. Maybe like a 6-pack or something, I'm not really sure. Anyway, if you can just pry in behind the battery, not on, closer to the side with the key ring, because as you will see closer to the actual key side, it's sitting in behind a little wall there. You can kind of see. So we just want to pry something probably a little bit sharp. Oh, it scratched the old battery. And if you can just pry it out, it should just pop out. But you want to be gentle again because it is kind of sitting in here, held in a little bit. Don't want to break anything. There we go. So simple enough. And you see the little contacts there. So you just want to take your new battery and that little wall there, or ridge, you're going to pop it in there first with the plus side up, and it should just snap in. There we go. And then put your cover back on, just opposite of the way it went on. They're very easy. It's very simple to do, and just slowly just kind of squeeze it together. Wow, and it's done. Wasn't that easy? And it should be good for quite some time now. I don't know how long these batteries last, but you'll know when it stops working. That's about that. Easy enough, huh? That's going to do it for the video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you don't mind, maybe give me the thumbs up just to let YouTube know that it was an easy to follow video. That key fob was on a 2013 GMC Terrain. It's the same fob for the Chevy Equinox, and I imagine GM probably uses that in other things too. I'll also put a link in the description for the batteries if you want to get a pack of them. Probably going to be the same price as getting a pair of them. Yeah. Besides giving me the thumbs up, can you also, subscribe if you don't mind, down in the corner. That way the next video that comes out, you'll be notified of it, and it may be of interest to you. This was in a GMC Terrain. I mentioned it's similar to the Chevy Equinox. I'll put a playlist right up here, the big blue circle. See the flashing little yellow arrow pointing up to the top there? That'll be, if you click on it, it'll bring you to a GMC Terrain repair playlist with a whole bunch of videos on one of these vehicles. Maybe of help to you as well. Until next time, I am Uncle Mark saying thanks for spending a couple minutes with me. Bye-bye for now. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Also,